When it comes to running an HVAC service business, understandably, the focus is always on the customers, leaving little to no time to develop a profitable marketing strategy. The good news is that the game of online marketing has changed and your competition doesn't even know about it yet. And getting new customers is easier than ever when you have the right approach to online marketing. Today, one of the leading experts in HVAC service marketing will walk you through a strategy to help you get more customers to your business.
How does a local HVAC company leverage the power of online marketing to get more customers? Well, think about it. There's millions of people using the internet every day, hundreds here in our own town. But what's important is concentrating on the right kind of content to put online and focusing on achieving your company's best reputation, thus grabbing as much attention as possible and gaining more customers. Because setting up a website and social media platforms, I mean, it relatively is pretty easy. But HVAC specialists find out pretty quickly that bringing in customers to their business is what creates their biggest challenge. How does a heating and cooling company leverage the power of online marketing? That is a great question. I believe that reputation is the most critical. Your reputation is one of the most valuable assets, and I'd argue it's the most important. Homeowners want to know that they're in good hands, and because these days it's simple with a Google search, right? And why do people use Google? Because it delivers the best results for their search terms. A company's reviews, they're found at the top of the page, and if you don't have enough reviews and testimonials to quickly grab their attention, they're just going to check out another heating and cooling company. So, for example, when Tom's furnace is on the fritz and he needs it fixed like yesterday, he turns to some friends for referrals and they give him Bob the furnace guy. Tom says, hey, what's his phone number? And the friend says, I don't have it handy, just Google it. Yes, we've all had that happen to us before. So Tom Googles Bob the furnace guy, finds out that he's only got 4 reviews. A couple 5-star reviews, that's good. He's also got a couple 2- and 3-star reviews, kind of mixed reviews. And then the others on the page, they don't have any at all. I'm sure we've seen this in other areas. But then what stands out to them is Dave's Furnace Repair Company. And Dave's got 10 5-star reviews, and customers are raving about his services. So who is Tom and countless others going to call? They're going to call the HVAC company with the highest rating and multiple 5-star reviews, right? So my best advice today is for every contractor to Google their name and city they do business in and take the time to put themselves in their possible customer's shoes. Because what is being said about you online? You need to be seeing at least 10 4- and 5-star reviews from past customers, or they may find another heating and cooling service elsewhere. And if you aren't seeing raving reviews, just simply start asking for them from your customers. They'll give them to you. Ask and you shall receive. Be consistent and build a process to systematically build your online review portfolio in order to use it in your marketing. And when you get those glowing 5-star reviews and people are raving about you, don't hide them on the testimonial page, buried inside of your website. People may never even see those. They're not going to get found. You need to have a system in place to literally shout out to the local area, broadcast it to social media sites like Facebook and LinkedIn and business directories, Yelp and all, and YouTube, all those. Because you need to be the best in the local area these days, because if you're not the best, well, trust me, somebody else will. You just can't say you're the best. You can't just say, hey, we're family owned and we've been serving the area for 50 years and trust us, we're the best heating and cooling contractors around. It doesn't work anymore. But how powerful would it be if your customers are shouting it out publicly and online, how great you are? That is powerful marketing when others are spreading the word for you. It speaks volumes about your business, and obviously your bottom line is going to reap the benefits. Our expertise, well, Terry, at Grenade Marketing, we specialize in helping home service contractors of all sizes develop their 5-star reputation online, and then we market that reputation to get more customers to call them for their services. Now, businesses that are interested in seeing what their online reputation score is, right now, they can visit localonlinereputationreport.com and submit their basic information and get a complimentary report that we value at $197. And they can also call me. I'll run the report for them as well, because the market has shifted It's real important that HVAC companies, home service business owners, and business owners of all industries are staying ahead of their competitors.
Now that was some incredible information on how to market your business. So take some serious thought and start focusing on marketing your business with great strategies like this one. Are you excited to learn more? Today's expert can be reached at the number on your screen. Don't hesitate to call them to get more information, and thanks for watching.